In today's video, we are talking about how you can get free products to review, and no, you don't need a huge following on social media. I think I only had 500 followers on Instagram, maybe even less, when I got my first product to review. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey there, it's really nice to meet you. So today we are talking about Influenster. This video is not sponsored, I just don't like to gatekeep. So Influenster is a free product discovery platform where you can discover products, but you can also leave reviews for products that you've tried and you love, or you don't. Points for honesty. Eventually, Influenster sends out what they call voxboxes, which are free products that you have to review. So since you do have to review them and they have a whole guideline, you technically do have to work for your free product. But if you're a content creator, this is amazing because you're basically getting free things to create content about. So I will say I downloaded the app in 2017 and I didn't get my first free product until 2019. But I'll tell you right now, I wasn't consistent with posting reviews on the app, and there's some things I think I did wrong that we'll talk about and hopefully get you a free product sooner. So it's been 5 years since I've been receiving free products, but I actually just got a voxbox from e.l.f. through Influenster this week. So I'm going to show you that real quick. So this is what a voxbox looks like. It's branded. So this is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration line. I got 4 products in here. I'll show you. When I first started getting voxboxes back in 2019, they were all the same purple color box that says Influencer, but now they have branded boxes, which is pretty cool. And you can see on the box, it actually says Influencer right here. Okay, so I obviously already opened the products and tried them out, and I love them. But the first product I got is the Holy Hydration e.l.f. Off Makeup Remover. It's amazing. And then we have the Holy Hydration Triple Bounce Serum. And then I also have the Holy Hydration Gel Yeah Moisturizer. And the last product that I received is the Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. This stuff is awesome. So there's clearly proof in the pudding, you guys. I'm not just making stuff up. So I looked at my history on Influenster, and from 2019 to this year, 2024, I've received about 30 voxboxes. That's crazy. So if you want to get in on this, let's finally get into it. Okay, so since I already have an account, I'm going to be creating my best friend Alex an account, so I can kind of show you guys the process of a new account and how that all works. And then later I'm going to show you my account and go over some important things that I want you to know. So the first thing is you can access Influencer through like a computer, but you won't be able to access everything. So I suggest you just download the app, type in Influencer, download it, and then obviously create an account. Okay, so through your app store, you're going to search Influencer, and it's going to be this little purple icon right here. And I already have it downloaded, so I'm just gonna open it. And then once we're into the app, we're going to sign up. And then I'm going to put in Alex's details. You're ready to roll. What's your goal for today? Get free products and deals. Discover new products. So this video, we want to get free products and deals. Building your profile. Okay, so they have a tier process. So under each tier, there's a bunch of tasks that you can complete to level up. And you need 100 points to level up to tier 2. So 10 points for answering demographic questions, 100 points to connect your Instagram, 50 points to connect your TikTok, and 150 points to complete a survey. So you can go ahead and do all of those, and then you will level up to tier 2. And as you can see, there are 9 tiers right now. So we're on level 1, and I'm going to leave all of that to Alex. He can complete that. So if we go over to search, you can start looking up brands that you want to start reviewing. Remember, the more reviews that you have on Influenster, the higher chance that they will send you a voxbox. Now, there are all of these categories that you can choose from: apparel and accessories, arts and crafts, beauty, beverages, electronics, grocery, health, home and garden, new parent, personal care, pets and animals, sports, toys and games, and vehicles and parts. So there's a lot of categories that you can choose from to review things. Now, here's a big tip that I didn't really follow when I first started, and I think this is the reason why I didn't get a free product for 2 years. This is very important. So let's say that you're somebody who wants to start getting beauty products, right? So a lot of these reviews that you should be leaving on Influencer, they should be beauty based. What I did is I knew that I needed to have a lot of reviews on Influencer. So I started reviewing anything that I laid my eyes on, like kitchen products, cleaning products, snacks, some beauty, electronics. I had probably every category in here I was reviewing. And what that does is it sends mixed signals, like, okay, well, what should we send them to review? So you'll probably have a higher chance of receiving a free product for a majority of what you're reviewing, right? So if you want to start getting beauty products, start making reviews for beauty products that you have on hand and just start posting those. But try to keep these reviews under 1, 2, or maybe even 3 categories instead of all the categories, because I think that's what I did wrong and why maybe I didn't get a product until 2 years later. When I first started, I was posting about everything, and then I started posting mostly about beauty, and that's when I got my first voxbox, and it was beauty related. And under the products category is where you will start seeing your tasks for voxboxes. Obviously, nothing yet when you first start, but start reviewing things that you eventually want to receive, if that makes sense. And then the last little tab is your profile, and you can edit any of this information. Shipping details is going to be really important if you want to receive free products in the future. So just go ahead and enter your address. Also, including your demographics and your interests will really help notify Influencer what they should send you next. And then you can see your activity, your favorites, reviews, questions, media, polls. You'll also see daily tasks when you log in that you can complete. So Influencer tips, and then you're going to click on that and it'll show you everything that you need to know. Also, if you scroll down, you'll start seeing community posts. You can see other reviews that people have left for products. There's a lot of beauty things. And then you can also see the free products that people have received. So this Canada Dry Fruit Splash. Somebody got some ketchup, some pickle ketchup. Wait, tomato ketchup with pickle seasoning. See? I love this app. Some candles. Oat milk. Betty Crocker Oreo brownie mix. So now you can kind of see the whole layout and what you need to do. Okay, so I logged back into mine so I can show you what my side of things looks like, since I'm actually on tier 9. Or actually, no, I'm not. So I'm actually on tier 8, and I am really close to unlocking tier 9, which is really exciting. Oh, I haven't connected my Facebook. Oh wait a minute. Invite a friend. Invite your friends to join Influenster. Hey friends, do you want to join Influenster? When they sign up, you'll earn points to help boost your chances of scoring more free products. So I am going to leave my referral link down in the description, and you can click on it and sign up for Influencer. That's so funny. I didn't actually even know that I had a referral link. And your daily tasks are optional. You don't have to do them, but you will earn points if you do them. So in 5 years, I've wrote 150 reviews. I've asked 5 questions. I also have 64 followers, and I'm following 32 people. So you can follow people. So if you want to follow me on Influencer, I will definitely follow you back. Okay, and I'm going to show you what my tasks look like for my elf voxbox I showed you. So as you can see, I completed 2 things, and there's a total of 7. So the 2 things I needed to do in addition to reviewing these products on Influencer is I needed to post to my Instagram feed, and I just posted some photos of the products. And I also needed to post a video to my TikTok, so I did that as well. And now all I need to do is post reviews on the Influencer app. And also, a really cool thing about Influencer is they have cash back. So under my programs, I do have a list of cashback offers that I could claim. There's a wine one, another alcohol one, and honestly, a lot of my cashback offers are alcohol, and I don't drink a lot of alcohol, so I'm not claiming those. But there is a Kraft Not Co. cheese cashback that I could claim, but not really interested in that one. So in addition to free products, you will also have access to cashback offers. If we go to the search tab, let's say I want to leave a review for, let's say I want to leave a review for my favorite EOS Cashmere Vanilla Body Lotion, which I am out of, and I need to get another one. I am just going to type in EOS Cashmere Vanilla Lotion, and here it is. So then you're going to review product, and then that's where you're going to leave your review. And you do this with any beauty product that you have available to you in your room, in your house, and you'll be on your way to receiving a beauty vox box. So now, how will you know when you're going to receive something? Let's talk about it. So Influencer won't just randomly send you a product without you knowing. What they're going to do is they're going to send you an email that looks like this. They'll typically say, want to get our next vox box? Here's a special opportunity. We're preparing a new vox box, and we've selected a small number of our Influencer members to see if they'd like the products we picked. And usually this is in the category of what you've been reviewing on Influencer. So basically, you're going to have to fill out a survey, and they'll decide if they're going to send you the product that the survey is about. So you fill out the survey and you wait a couple days, and then usually they'll send you another email saying that, hey, you're in, you're going to be getting this product. And it'll also show up on your Influencer app. So it's really exciting. But like I said, you do technically have to work for these free products, and you don't get free products right away. So if you are determined to get free products, you need to leave reviews for products that you have available to you right now inside your home, and you need to stay consistent with that. And then hopefully you receive that email that says, want to get our next voxbox? And then you'll take the survey. So that is how you get free products to review with Influenster. I really hope I explained everything well enough, but if you have questions, leave them down in the comments and I will answer them. Also, like I showed you before, go ahead and hit that referral link that I have in the description box to sign up with Influenster, and then we'll both be on our way to leveling up in tiers. Go ahead and give my video a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, especially because my next video is going to be pretty fun, especially if you're into Instagram content batching, Instagram photo shoot, photo editing. I'm giving you all the hints here. If that sounds exciting, then I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.